Hi, so I'm Tristan McPherson. I'm from Saskatoon, and so I'm a solo indie dev. I've been working on this game called Educe. It's a pixel art photography game, so I'm kind of going for like Animal Well meets Pokemon Snap. So I've been working on it for about 11 months now. It's still pretty early, and yeah.
Can people wishlist it?
Oh yeah, so it's on Steam. There is a Steam page. If you just look up Educe, there it is. I have like the playtest thing up, so it's like if you just click it, you can play a copy. It's probably going to be in development for like a few more years. As a one-person
Yeah.
gig, it's a little bit of a slow
Are you
process, but
building the engine or are you building the engine yourself?
yeah. So everything's just been built myself. There's no yeah.